Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the another subject based video that is based on increment and decrement operators in Java. In my previous video, I told it that I will give another video for this topic and the video is here. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share with your friend. Let's go to the board. Now we can see that is a topic based on the increment and decrement operators in Java. Increment and decrement. What is increment? Increment means to increase value or increase number, something, whatever. The increment means increase and decrement means decrease. Here is an example, that is the first one, the operators that was present there. Increment decrement operator I plus I. What is the difference between the I plus plus and plus plus I? I plus plus means the plus plus is present after the variable and here plus plus is present before the variable. This is called the post increment and this is called the pre increment. Now given to the example, I is equal to 5. This is post increment. Post increment means final result is I plus plus. That means the final result is 5. Pre increment means first increment then print the value. Here first print the value then increment. The output of the result is 6. Then same process if we write and this is a single example. If we write a big example, that is the now here the example, that is the I is equal to 5 and this is the example. So how can I print it? First one, that is I plus plus, that means the first one is the print the value then increment. This is called the post increment. So now the value of this part is 5. Plus plus means 5 changed to 6, that means post increment. Now plus plus I, that means 6 transform to 7. So here 7, that is pre increment. So now I plus plus, that means the same as post increment. So first print the value, that means the first one print is 7. Now the plus plus I, that means the pre increment. Pre increment means 7 is transformed to 8. So the total number is print 5, 7, 12, 19, 27. Okay, this is a basic example of post increment and pre increment. I think you are clear about it. If you are not clear, so let's do a recap. So here basic the example, I plus plus means first print 5, then increment it, change to 6, then transform to 6 to transform here the plus plus I means the pre increment, that means 7 transform to here, that is the post increment, that means that is the only 7 print, and the 7 transform to here the pre increment, that means the 8. So the result is 27. Now we going to the decrement part. Now the decrement part means that is decrease. Decrement are also two parts, that are the first one is pre decrement, another one is post decrement. Pre decrement means the minus I and the post decrement means I minus. Here the same example, that is the I is equal to 5. If we write it, the minus I means first decrement it then print the value. So decrement it means here print the value, that is the output is the 4. And now here is a post decrement, that means the first print the value then decrement. Print the value means the output is 5. If we write an example here, so here if we write I is equal to 5, then we write it first one, that is the post decrement. So post decrement means first print the value, that means the output is 5. Okay, now post decrement, that means in decrement value is decremented, so 5 is transformed to 4. Now plus minus I, that means minus I means the 4 is transformed to first post pre decrement, that means the value is 3. 4 changed to 3. Now I minus, that means the post decrement, first print the value. So the output is 3. Now the output changed to 2 Now here minus minus I means pre-decrement, that means 2 change to 1. So here the output is 12. So this is a basic example using the pre-decrement, post-decrement, and before we discuss about the pre-increment and post-increment, this is the important, very much important topic for your examination. And from this pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement, from this the so many questions are come in your examination. So thank you and see you in the next video.